A modest 1.2% increase is forecasted for Solana by 30 rates by tomorrow. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. At this time, Solana has risen 0.2% and is positioned around $83.79. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Traders Union estimates a price of $82.92 by tomorrow, nearly 1% beneath current levels. Crypto Predictions anticipates Solana could touch $83.26, marking a fall close to 0.6%. CoinLore notes it may advance to $84.20, roughly 0.5% more than the current price. Another projection from 30 rates indicates Solana may head toward $84.76, again estimated at 1.2%. To finish, digital coin price expects the price at $85.21 by tomorrow, which is 1.7% higher than the current price. This is the top return forecast we have seen. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a decline of 1% and a gain of 1.7%. Considering all forecasts, digital coin price is at the top with 1.7% upturn in value by tomorrow. As a result, you could earn between $5 and $17 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability, CoinLore has the lead with a 82.3% chance of success. From the 5 forecasts, I've developed one aggregated consensus scenario. The consensus forecast shows Solana holding steady around $84.07. Let's crack this open. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 0.3%. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.3%. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $3 more. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 83.7%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. Traders Union believes the chart points to a decline. Likewise, Crypto Predictions indicates that prices could dip further. CoinLore highlights that Solana could stay flat. 30 rates expects an upward trajectory in the short term. Digital coin price believes volatility will stay muted, keeping Solana relatively unchanged. Looking at the forecasts together, the consensus reflects a negative trajectory for Solana. So, the majority of analysts expect Solana to move lower in the coming days. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the day closed with the price at $84.29. With this outcome, only 2 of 5 had the correct forecast. Digital coin price achieved the most precise outlook. Now it's time to break it into parts. 3 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with coin data flow leading the positive group at 0.6%. Now on screen is the summary table, all forecasts lined up for review. The table includes digital coin price with 86% forecast probability accuracy and 0.1% ROI. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. The leader in tomorrow's profitability outlook is AVE at 2.7%, with Solana positioned below. This section compares Solana to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns is already displayed on my website. If seeing how analysts' predictions differ was useful, hit like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you later.